It has been 1 year since Ania and I had our last holiday together. And finally, tomorrow, we are traveling to Italy to visit some of the most amazing places to spend the summer in. Stay with us. This is our travel vlog. I hope I didn't forget anything. Stone inside.
The driver basically kicked me out from the car.
Really?
He told me, get out quickly.
2 stars for him. So, what now?
Let's have a drink.
Exactly.
First holiday drink. A small one.
Small one, short one.
Yep.
I think we have enough time anyway. Funny thing is that I have priority, but Ania doesn't, so she's there, and that is the queue. And basically, I've done. See you on the plane. The flight is quite cool. How many bottles? It is basically not big for the luggages, and Ania is also in another. I don't know where, to be honest. It's gonna be pretty messy here, and see you in Italy. We are finally in Bari. Our ride is waiting outside. See you home. There is one thing that we didn't say, that because of the COVID restriction, we need to spend 5 days in quarantine. And this is my house rooftop. since I'm quite bored and Ania, she's still getting tan there, I will try to go on top of this part of the roof and probably I will have a better view. Oh, that doesn't look good. I'm on top. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's quite cool. Yeah, not too bad, not too bad. There's Ania downstairs. Hi, Ania. Ciao. I will say that it's time to go back downstairs. So we're gonna enjoy this quarantine and see you after. Ciao. Ania, how am I supposed to go downstairs? Can you hold the ladder? That wasn't a good idea. Ah! Finally, after 5 days of quarantine,
We're out.
we are out and we are going to the beach.
We're going to Little Le Macchie.
Le Macchie, yeah. In Monopoli. And Monopoli is famous because there are a lot of amazing beaches. Probably it's gonna be a little bit overcrowded, yeah. Even if it's a little bit wavy and there is also a strong wind.
There was a thunderstorm last night, but today the weather is amazing. I can't see not even one cloud in here. So yeah, I expect a very nice sea, warm water.
It's gonna be a lovely day.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa.
We are going to play beach volley. It's gonna be me and Ania against two of my friends. We are two couples. Let's see who is gonna win. We've lost the first one, but we won the second one.
We've been longing to escape, and here we are, driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea. Think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you.
Woo! Time to go back to Polignano. How was your day, Ania?
It was very active. We played a lot of beach volleyball today.
I don't know you, but I'm dying. I'm super tired.
And super hot.
Yeah, the beach is stressful. See you home. Bye.